Better healing with music brings the joy back into training. Healing, in my opinion, is the most beautiful dance in the world. It's a combination of precision and art displaying the heart of the team. Whether you're a competition team working toward titles in obedience or rally, or are just starting out and need to improve your healing, Dogs Can Dance has designed a class just for you. I've been told many times by handlers that obedience is just too strict or isn't fun. I'm here to tell you it's all in the way you approach the training. No matter if I was training my dogs in the sport of tracking, rally, or freestyle, all of my training is handled with the same mindset, creating a joyous experience for both my dog and myself. In the sport of freestyle, team movement is the glue that holds a performance together. Fun exercises with music that makes you want to move creates the perfect atmosphere to train.